Hey guys, welcome to this video. Here we're going to be talking about setting up your non-billable jobs in XPM. Now, there are two types of non-billable jobs you want to set up. The first one is for everything administrative in the business. So that's just general administration. It could be team meetings or anything like that, or Christmas functions, whatever it is. Anything that your staff are working on that is not billable to a client goes there. The other type of internal job we have is for our leave. So that's going to be sick leave or annual leave or bereavement leave or anything like that. And the reason we have two of them is the leave job we set up as a capacity reducing job. So let's say our staff member has been assigned to work 40 hours for the week. If they put 8 of those hours to a capacity reducing job, what it does is it reduces their capacity down to 32 hours for the week. So they only need to do, let's say, 32 hours to make them 100% billable. So that's the difference, because if we were to put that leave into the other job, into the admin job, it looks like they still need to do 40 hours for the week. So that's what a capacity reducing job does. It reduces the amount of hours we expect them to work for the week, which impacts their productivity. So let's go through and we'll set these jobs up together. Right, so I'm in the job manager right now. So to set up your admin jobs, I go new job. The client, you want to select your own business as the client. And then the name of the job, I usually do it in capitals. You might want to call it admin. And then what we will also want to do is probably set up another task for our administrative jobs. I always forget to do this while I'm setting up my job states. So maybe jump back in and do this now. So I'm just going to go job settings. So I've just opened up a new tab, by the way. So new tab, and I've gone to job states, and then we go new state. I'll make this one 3.0 and we'll call it internal. And then hit save. Cool, so I've got a new job state now. So I'm just going to jump back into the job. I'm just going to refresh the page so it refreshes my job states. So again, McTavish and Co-Chartered Accountants. Admin will be my first one. The job state will be internal. And then we can select the start date. You can do this for 20 years if you want, or you could roll it over annually. My preference is to roll it over annually, so I might say the 1st of January to the 31st of December. The reason that I like to roll it over annually, it just gives you the opportunity to just run a quick report on that job, and then it also means that you don't have like 5 years of timesheets sitting in one job. So that's my preference, but some people like to just open up for 10 or 20 years. So you want to assign all your staff to these admin jobs so they can put their time there, then hit save. And then we're going to go set up our tasks for it. So we want to go new task, and the first task is going to be administration. This is the key thing here. We want to tick it as a non-billable task, and then we hit save. And you don't need to put an estimated number of hours. You could just leave it at 0. Cool, so that's the administration. And then there might be, what else could we have? Marketing support, or maybe that's marketing support actually for a client, right? So we might have something else here as well. Company setup. No, the rest of these look billable, so we're just gonna stick with administration. Oh, I hit that by accident, so just go cancel. So I've just got one task there, but you might want to have more than one task. So I've just got administration. You might want to break it down by team meetings and all sorts of things. Cool, so that is my basic admin job done. So now we're gonna go back and set up our next one. So if we go new job, same client again, and this one, I'm going to call it leave in capitals as the job name. And then again, that's going to go to the internal task. And again, I set this up as 1 year. And you can just align this with your standard financial year. So I'm doing this one as an example for the US, where we've got December balance dates primarily, but it depends on what part of the world you're in. So again, assign all of your staff to it, and then we hit save. Cool, so what we do now is we come down and go new task. We're going to have sick leave. And then again, non-billable, very important we untick that, hit save. And then just set annual leave up here, or what do we call it? Oh, PTO, paid time off, there we go. So we call it PTO. And then again, non-billable. And anything that you want to put against that capacity reducing job. So that's what we've done. We've set up our two jobs now. If I go back to the main job manager, you'll see that we have leave and admin sitting at the bottom of our list here. So what I'm going to do now is go to business, down to settings, and then I go to capacity. And then here we go, the job. What job do we want to set up as our capacity reducing job? So Looks like I've already got 2 set up here because I had those set up previously, but it's going to be this one here, the job 1269, and then hit save. So what that means is when I put time to that job there, just double check that was the right job number. 1269 leave, great. So anytime I put there will reduce the capacity that is available for the week. So that is how you set up your internal jobs. The key things there is we want to set up 2 jobs. One is for your internal time, your administration and your internal meetings and things. The other one is for the leave. And those leave ones, we want to make sure that we set that as a capacity reducing job. So hope that all makes sense. Go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in the next video.